Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about transcriptions. So what is a transcription? It's just when your voiceover or your audio recording is then put into text or words. So let's then go over the other parts. Why do we use it? So we use transcription services to enhance the experience or for understanding. So sometimes when words are said or an audio is played, you can't hear exactly what's being said, so you need the words to be transcribed, and you need to just read them. How is it used? Words are just spoken and then they're generated into text. Who can use it? Anyone can use it. And then when do you use it? During movies you see it. The captions, in meetings you also see it. I can show you how to use it during meetings. So if you head on over to Zoom, so let me just pull that up. And you just want to sign in. You're going to go over to your settings to turn it on. Once you hit your settings, go ahead and scroll. You're going to scroll until you get to manual captions. You're going to turn that on. You're going to turn on automated captions, and then you're going to turn on the full transcript. Then you can join your meeting or schedule it, but we're just going to host one real quick so I can show you. All right, now that the meeting is going, we're just going to open it up. And you do need to join with audio so we can pick up the information. All right, so now we're going to unmute ourselves. We're going to go to the More section, Captions, and then Full Transcript. And it's going to then put into text all of the words I'm now saying. Even if I have any errors, or if I say or oh, it's going to then type all of those. And sometimes you will see that it is not able to have it in text the exact way you might have said it, but that is how the transcription works. It just says or types what you are saying. That is also why sometimes you may have to go back in and edit the transcript because the automated system is not perfect. AI is not perfect. It is capable of many things, but it's not perfect. Let's see, so we'll just end that. We'll go back over to the slideshow. So during the meeting that I did have, I spoke about drones. So why do we want drones to be used in Italy? We want to map the vineyards in Italy. We want to be able to sustain the population. So we want sustainable agriculture. We want to be able to view the areas and see individuals or plants and the grapevines at these vineyards. Or even animals. These drones will be able to tell us if there's any animals or individuals that are not supposed to be within the vines. And it will also show us, when you map it, if any plants are then dying. If you're not able to go out that day, you can just send the drone out and take a look digitally. Alright, well, hope you learned something about the transcription service. Have a great day.